Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one of the best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. You can earn 3 cryptocurrency from this website: Bitcoin, Bitcoin and Litecoin. Okay, and the registration is very easy. Just click create a new account, put your email address, username, password and confirm password, solve this little capture and just click register. You can be registered. Okay, right now I click login because I have already account. Just I solve this capture. Okay, and just click login. And this is very easy, just clicking login and you can be login in this website. Okay, in here you can earn 3 cryptocurrency, but right now is this website pay you 2 cryptocurrency, 1 Bitcoin. If you want to earn Bitcoin, just click in Bitcoin. This will be changed all to Bitcoin. And if you want to click Litecoin, you can earn Litecoin. This is visiting websites, short links website. If you visit all these short links, you can earn much more Litecoin or Bitcoin from here. Okay, the next one for earning is game. 2 different game as this one have, and the weekly bonus. You can participate in the weekly bonus. Okay, this is all people earn from here. This is a faucet claim. Okay, they made this is the weekly bonus this people's earn. Okay, this is very easy. This one is click 5 times, earn this much. Okay, this is one of the best way you can earn. And the next one is referral commission. You can refer your friends and come here, join this website, and you can earn much more with referral link. And the information about your contacts, rules and states. And if you want to earn extra, you can use this too. And the next one is this setting. First you go to wallet, set your wallet. How you can set it, just click on wallet. If you have Express Crypto, you can set your Express Crypto wallet, this one wallet, Coinbase, Faucet Pay. Like you can see I put my Faucet Pay Bitcoin wallet address in here. If you have Litecoin, just put the Litecoin wallet address and just click it update. Okay, and the next one is the withdrawal. The withdrawal method, it's very easy. You can withdraw any cryptocurrency to any wallet. If you want to withdraw on Faucet Pay, Coinbase, Express Crypto, direct payment. If you want Faucet Pay, just click Faucet Pay. This one tell you the minimum withdrawal is this much. Okay, and you can, if you reach in this much, the withdraw button come here and you can click. Okay, this website link available in description. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye.